Have you ever found yourself scrambling to find your National Grid account number when you least expect it? Stay tuned, because in just a few minutes, you'll be an expert at locating it quickly and easily from the comfort of your home.
We've all been there, right? It's incredibly frustrating. You just want to sit down, knock out your monthly bill, maybe set up autopay so you don't have to think about it again, or even apply for a discount rate. But suddenly you hit a wall. You're blocked by a missing account number. And without it, you're kind of stuck. You can't manage your basic household utilities, and you're staring down the barrel of potential delays all over a few missing digits. But don't worry, finding this number is actually way simpler than you might think once you know exactly where to look. Okay, let's dive into this with Section 1, the 10-digit key. So what are we actually looking for here? Well, every single National Grid account number is exactly 10 digits long. It's not just some random string of numbers. It basically acts as the master key that identifies your specific, unique service premise and the actual meter attached to it. If you're someone who manages multiple properties, you'll definitely want to note that each individual location is going to have its own distinct 10-digit account number. The format will almost always look like this: 5 digits, a hyphen, and then another 5 digits. Keeping this specific 10-digit number handy is absolutely crucial because it completely prevents major delays when you need to contact customer service, report a power outage, or make changes to your service plan. Think of it like your utility identity card. Moving right along to Section 2, finding it online. Let's walk through the standard desktop portal first. You'll start by visiting the official National Grid website. Now, because their system is organized regionally, your very first step is going to be selecting your specific region, like Massachusetts, upstate New York, or Metro New York. This just makes sure you're connected to the right database. Next up, pop in your registered email address and password on the login screen. Once you're in, you'll be taken directly to the My Account overview page. And boom, right there at the top of the main dashboard, sitting alongside your current balance, is your 10-digit account number. Let's move to and see how this builds if you're on a smartphone. National Grid offers the National Grid US mobile app, and what makes it so fantastic is the sheer speed. You literally just open the app, and instead of fumbling with your keyboard to type out credentials, you use a biometric login like Face ID or your fingerprint. Instantly, with no typing required, you're dropped onto the main summary screen where your account number is sitting front and center. If we briefly compare the two methods, they're both highly effective. The desktop My Account dashboard gives you that wider, big-picture view of your usage charts and billing history. But the National Grid US mobile app summary screen, that's undeniably faster for on-the-go utility management. Either way you slice it, the moment you log in, that vital 10-digit number is right there waiting for you. Section 3, Alternative Retrieval Methods. Now, what if you just don't want to log into the main portal today? You've actually got several digital backup locations. If you're enrolled in paperless billing, National Grid sends a secure PDF directly to your email inbox every single month. Open any one of those PDFs and you'll spot the 10-digit number sitting right in the top right corner. Alternatively, many bank websites let you view and pay your utility bills. Just keep an eye out for a Get Bill icon in your bank's portal. You can also find the number if you use supported third-party payment apps like Doxo, or, of course, right at the top of a traditional paper bill if you still get those mailed to your house. Here's a super quick efficiency tip for you. Create a dedicated folder in your email inbox specifically for those National Grid paperless bills. By routing them all to one single spot, your account number is never more than a quick inbox search away. Centralizing your utilities through your banking app also keeps everything incredibly organized and accessible on the fly. Okay, let's look at Section 4, Troubleshooting Login Issues. Let's be real. The biggest barrier to finding your number online is simply forgetting your login credentials. It happens to literally all of us. Fortunately, the system is set up to get you back in quickly. And this brilliantly illustrates how National Grid handles security. They have two distinct, highly secure recovery processes depending on exactly which piece of info you forgot, whether it's the password or the sign-in ID itself. So if it's just the password that slipped your mind, you'll click the Forgot Password link on the login screen. It'll ask you to enter your username or sign-in email address. Then, to make sure your account stays totally secure, National Grid sends a temporary verification code to your email. You just punch in that temporary code, create your new password, and you immediately have your dashboard and your account number back. Now, if you've forgotten the sign-in ID itself, you'll click the Forgot Sign-in ID option. You just type in the email address you originally registered with, and the system securely emails your ID directly to you.
Quick side note here. National Grid is actively prompting older legacy users who still use custom usernames to convert their accounts over to email-based logins. I know change can be a bit annoying, but this is a vital update designed to step up your security and stop malicious credential harvesting.
Which brings us to Section 5, Account Security and Scams.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the crucial warning it highlights. Because this 10-digit account number gives you so much control over your energy service, it is highly confidential, making it a massive target for utility scammers. But here's the ultimate weakness of those scammers. Authentic National Grid representatives already have your data right in front of them on their screens. A real employee will literally never call you and demand that you provide your account number.
So, how do you protect yourself? I want to empower you with something called the last 5 digits check. If you ever get a call from someone claiming to be from National Grid and they're demanding immediate payment or threatening to shut off your power, ask them to recite the last 5 digits of your account number. It's such a simple but highly effective way to thwart a spoofed call. If they hem and haw, make up an excuse, or just flat out can't do it, hang up immediately. You just defeated a scammer. And, the exact same caution applies to text messages. Scammers love sending phishing texts to steal your info. You can quickly identify a legitimate text message from National Grid by checking the short code it comes from. Official texts about appointments will always come from 59528. Outage updates come from 64743, and collection notices from 647432. If you get a text demanding account info from some random 10-digit phone number, just ignore it and delete it.
Let's wrap things up in Section 6, Recap and Disclaimer.
So, the crucial point is that your 10-digit account number is your master key to managing your utility services, and finding it is a breeze. You can grab it right at the top of your desktop dashboard or instantly via the biometric mobile app. Not feeling like logging in? Check the top right corner of your paperless email PDFs or your bank's bill pay portal. If you ever get locked out, resetting your credentials is a secure, simple step-by-step process. And most importantly, guard that number. Use that last 5 digits check to immediately expose any fraudulent callers trying to mess with your account. Just a quick professional disclaimer before we go. While this explainer aims to provide you with the most accurate and helpful information based on the source material, utility platforms do update their systems from time to time. We highly recommend always verifying specific details, resolving account discrepancies, and making sure your final source of truth comes directly from official National Grid resources and their customer service channels. You've now got all the tools you need. So ask yourself, are you really going to let a missing 10-digit number stand between you and your peace of mind the next time a bill is due? Take a few minutes right now to locate your number, lock it down, and take permanent control of your utility account today.